Hey, we have here another integral from the Scranton Integration Bee 2017. This was finals problem 13. We had the integral of x squared over the square root of x plus 1 dx. Okay, and right away I'm looking at this radical and I want to do something about this, and I'm going to want to do a u substitution. We could do our u substitution for just x plus 1. That would work fine, but for some reason I just kind of prefer it a little bit to do the whole thing. It's not going to make a whole lot of difference, but it's just kind of a preference thing. So let's do it this way. I'm going to call my u equal to the square root of x plus 1. I'm going to want to find something for this x squared term. So let's just square this on both sides, and we'll see that u squared equals x plus 1. And then solving for x, we're going to have x equals u squared minus 1. And again, I might as well set up this x squared. So x squared is going to be just squaring this out. We'll have u to the fourth minus 2 u squared plus 1. And I'm just going to want a dx, so let's take the derivative of this here. We'll take the derivative of that, and we're going to have dx equals 2u, derivative of 1, 0, so we're going to have just a du here. And then I'll go ahead and make this substitution. So we have our x squared value for the numerator, so I'm going to have u to the fourth minus 2 u squared plus 1. This thing's just u right here, so we'll have a u in the denominator. And our dx is going to be 2u du. And that's pretty nice because I'm going to get this u canceling right here. I can take this u out front. I can take this 2 out front. Let's just do that right here. So integrating this with the power rule, u to the fourth is going to be u to the 5 over 5. Integrating u squared is going to be u cubed over 3. And then integral 1 is just going to be u. Then we could leave it in this form, but I think what I want to do is factor out a u. And also I want to get a common denominator, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor a 1/15 out. So I'm going to put a 15 in the denominator out front. Then rewriting this, the first term, now it's going to be u to the fourth. And instead of having the 5 here, we're going to write it, we'll have a 3 in front of it as a coefficient. And then for the second term, this is going to become a minus 10 u squared. For the last term, we're just going to have a 15. Noticing again that 15 times 1 over 15 is going to get me back to the 1 coefficient here. And now we can just back substitute to finish this thing off. So we're going to have our 2/15 in front. U is going to be square root of x plus 1. Now for u to the fourth, I can just square this piece, the u squared term, to get u to the fourth. So squaring x plus 1 is going to give me x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then we'll have minus 10 u squared, it's just going to be x plus 1. And then we're going to just have 15. Now I just need to do a little bit of cleanup. So I need to just distribute everything in. So I'm going to distribute in my 3. We're going to have 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. Distribute here, we're going to have minus 10x minus 10 plus 15. Okay, and then to finish it off, all I need to do is just combine like terms over here. So we're just going to have the 3x squared in front. Then I'm going to, let's see, 6x minus 10x is going to be minus 4x. Then 15 minus 10 is 5, plus 3 is going to give me an 8. I'll tack a plus c on, and that's it. Okay, pretty good problem with u substitution. I feel like I did one like this like a week ago. I can't remember. I know it was different because the coefficients were different, but I think it was very similar, so I'm going to have to look back at the history. Anyway, we'll stop it there. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.